Hello, welcome to this video, the second part of segmenting the cerebellum. If you haven't watched the previous video, I suggest you go and watch that first, the one that I teach you how to segment the entire cerebellum, and then watch this one. In this part, I want to show you how to add more details to the cerebellum structure and segment the white matter and cortex of cerebellum, also segmenting the left and right structures. Okay. We proceed from the part we ended in the previous video. This is the cerebellum that we segmented. In this stage, I want to add another segment called the cerebellum white matter and segment the white matter from the cortex. So add another segment and rename it cerebellum white matter. I choose a color representative of the white matter. Okay, so by using the threshold tool, select the threshold that is matched with the white matter and then click Use for masking. As you can see, the threshold that I'm choosing is matched to the white matter of the cerebellum. Then, with usage of the paint tool, and make sure to check the editable intensity range, I draw some lines in the area of the cerebellum. It should be repeated in multiple slices. Again, it's better to do it on all the 2D views. By checking the editable intensity range, your lines won't go over the desired threshold, and your work would be more accurate. Okay, as you can see, we have another segment which is in white color. In this stage, I use the margin tool, and this tool is actually helping you to grow a segment into another one. Make sure to click the grow and change the number of margin size to 1.8 or maximum 1 millimeter in order to grow 1 millimeter at a time and make more accurate changes into your structures. The logic behind this tool is that one selected segment, in this part the cerebellum white matter, grows into the other one, to the adjacent segment, which in this case is the cerebellum, the purple segment. Okay, I choose the grow, change the number to 1.81 millimeter. We want to add 1 pixel at a time. And the editable area must be the purple segment, the cerebellum. At the top, you select the one segment that you want to grow, and the bottom, you select the segment that the selected one on the top grows into it. In this case, the cerebellum white matter will grow into the cerebellum, or the purple one. Okay, check the editable intensity range, and press apply. By pressing apply in every stage, the cerebellum white matter grows into the cerebellum segment 1 millimeter. You repeat it until it covers all the desired threshold of white matter. Okay, as you can see, the cerebellum white matter grew into the cerebellum and covered all the white matter that we have chosen through the threshold method. And this is the 3D structure that have been created. As all the 3D structures that we create, this one also needs some corrections. Use the smoothing tool and also islands tool to smooth the structure and remove the extra islands. If you see any inconsistency with the real structure, you can use the paint tool for micro under or over segmentations in your structure. It based on the accuracy of doing the previous stages. In this stage, I use the smoothing tool and then use the island tool to remove the extra voxels. Check the keep largest island and press apply to delete all extra islands. Okay, and this is the cerebellum white matter that we've created. It is very close to actual process, actual structure in the 2D views, which you can see and check them on all the dimensions. And now I rename the cerebellum segment to cerebellar cortex, and the white one is the cerebellar white matter. If you want to add more details into your structure and separate the right and left segments or parts of the cerebellum, the process would be more simple. For this stage, I usually use the scissors tools. For example, you want to separate the left and right cerebellum cortex. Create a new segment, choose a new color, and name it right or left cerebellum cortex. And the previous one should be renamed to right cerebellar cortex. By using the scissors tools, the logic behind the scissors tools is that we change or subtract a segment into another one. Make sure to not change any of the settings in the column at the left. You don't need to change anything, just uncheck the editable intensity range. And at the top, select the segment that you want to change it to another segment. So in this part, I check the purple one. And at the bottom, you have to choose the segment that you want to create and change the other one into it. So in this stage, by using the scissors tools, I change the cerebellar cortex, or the purple one, into the left cerebellar cortex, which is in pink. So I chose the purple at the top, and the editable segment at the bottom was the pink one. And then simply draw a circle around my desired part. And as you're seeing, it automatically subtracts the segment with the one we chose in the editable segment. And again, I repeat this to segment left and right white matter as well. Again, create a new segment called right cerebellar white matter. You have to choose the previous segment, cerebellar white matter, to be changed to the right cerebellar white matter, or the gray one. Draw a line around the desired part, and it will automatically subtract with what you have chosen. Make sure to rename all the segments in the right way. And as you can see, we created 4 segments for the entire cerebellum: right cerebellar white matter, left cerebellar white matter, left cerebellar cortex, and right cerebellar cortex. Adding more details and structures into your 3D segmented area helps you to visualize the structure more close to the anatomical and the actual 2D views. It creates a realistic structure of a part of the brain or any other part of the body, and it helps you to understand the anatomy more easily. Hope you found this helpful. Feel free to ask me questions in the comments, and tell me what else do you want me to show how to segment in the brain.